Everyone, welcome to JSR DevOps, my channel. And today I am going to explain how to installation of Jenkins on Ubuntu Linux server. For that, first of all, I open the Jenkins.io. It is the official website. So once if you enter into the web browser Jenkins.io, it will show like this. And after that, if you click on documentation, in the left side it will show the installation of Jenkins. So we will install the Jenkins in different ways, like Docker, Kubernetes, Linux, Mac, Windows. So I'm installing Jenkins on Ubuntu Linux server. So for that, I'm selecting Linux. So here it will show different flavors like Debian, Ubuntu, Fedora, Red Hat, and like that. Now I'm installing the Jenkins on Ubuntu server. Click on it. So if you scroll down, so initially we need to install the Java. After that, we are installing the Jenkins. So I am following this procedure, and these steps are running on my Linux machine. Initially, update the packages using sudo apt update. So it takes little bit time. After that, I run this command to installation of Java. If you say why, it will accept to installation of Java in our Linux machine. Once successfully completed, then we will check the version whether Java is successfully installed or not. So it will show the version of Java. That means Java successfully installed. Then after that, you can install the Jenkins. For that, here I'll take these commands and run on my Linux machine step by step. So after that, Jenkins will install. So you can do like this also, same wise.